हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल द लीगल बीन्स। आज के इस सेशन में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं यूरेट पीजी 2025 के लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम को। फर्स्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे इसके क्वेश्चन पेपर को इसकी आंसर की के साथ में। देन हम जानेंगे कि इसकी एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ कितनी हो सकती है। देन इसका रिजल्ट कब तक डिक्लेयर होगा और अगर किसी स्टूडेंट को इसके क्वेश्चन को लेकर ऑब्जेक्शन है तो वो उसको कब तक रेज कर सकते हैं एंड देन इसका एडमिशन प्रोसेस क्या रहेगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Question 1 talks about the phrase secular socialist was inserted in the preamble of the Constitution White Amendment. जो वर्ड सेक्युलर एंड सोशलिस्ट है इसको प्रियम्बल में कौन से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट के थ्रू एड ऑन किया गया था? ऑप्शन ए इज़ 42nd अमेंडमेंट, बी इज़ 43rd अमेंडमेंट, सी इज़ 44th अमेंडमेंट एंड डी इज़ 38th अमेंडमेंट. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज़ ए 42nd अमेंडमेंट. 42nd अमेंडमेंट के बाद में ही जो वर्ड सेक्युलर एंड सोशलिस्ट है उसको प्रियम्बल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ऐड किया गया था. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, द फंडामेंटल राइट्स आर गिवन इन विच पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? ए पार्ट 1, बी पार्ट 3, सी पार्ट 2 एंड डी पार्ट 4. करेक्ट आंसर इज पार्ट बी, पार्ट 3, जो बात करता है फंडामेंटल राइट्स के बारे में. Question 3. The right to property is no more a fundamental right. It is now a constitutional right under Article 300A, B Article 50, C Article 41 and D Article 52. Correct answer is A. Article 300A. Article 300A के बाद में जो राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी हमारा फंडामेंटल राइट हुआ करता था उसको कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट में शिफ्ट कर दिया गया. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज, इफ एन ऑल इंडिया सर्विस इज टू बी क्रिएटेड अ रेजोल्यूशन हैज टू बी पास्ड फर्स्ट बाय ए लोकसभा, बी राज्यसभा, सी यूनियन कैबिनेट एंड डी एनी स्टेट असेंबली. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी राज्यसभा. राज्यसभा ही आर्टिकल 312 के 1 में ऑल इंडिया सर्विस को क्रिएट करने के लिए रेजोल्यूशन पास कर सकती है. फिफ्थ, द वेल नोन डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर वॉज इनोवेटेड इन ए गोलकनाथ वर्सेस पंजाब केस, बी मिनर्वा मिल्स केस, सी केशवानंद केस एंड डी सज्जन सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब केस. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी केशवानंद केस. केशवानंद केस ही फर्स्ट केस था जिस पे डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर फर्स्ट टाइम ओरिजिनेट हुई थी. क्वेश्चन 6, फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज रिलेट टू ए आर्टिकल 16, बी आर्टिकल 17, सी आर्टिकल 21 एंड डी आर्टिकल 31A. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी. आर्टिकल 31A में ही फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज दे रखी है. क्वेश्चन 7, if a judge of a high court is to be removed on proven grounds of corruption and moral turpitude, who may do so? Option A, PM at his will, B PM on the basis of resolution of the cabinet, C Chief Justice of India and D by the resolution of impeachment so passed by the parliament, then the PM of India can do so. Sorry, इस क्वेश्चन में एक टाइपोग्राफी एरर है. यहाँ पे पीएम की जगह प्रेसिडेंट आएगा. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. हाईकोर्ट जज को करप्शन एंड मॉरल टर्पिट्यूड के ग्राउंड पर रिमूव किया जा सकता है एक इम्पीचमेंट रेजोल्यूशन पास करके पार्लियामेंट में एंड देन प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया उसको रिमूव कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन 8, law has been defined in the constitution under article A article 13, B article 14, C article 1 and D article 21. the correct answer is A. article 13 जो है वो लॉ को डिफाइन करता है. क्वेश्चन 9, which among the following statement is correct? A, the US constitution has provision for the suspension of fundamental right. B, the British constitution has such provision. C, the Constitution of India provide for suspension of some fundamental right in a particular situation. And D, the Irish constitution provides such a provision. Correct answer is C, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया जो है सस्पेंशन ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट्स के बारे में प्रोवाइड करता है, जैसे कि एमरजेंसी के टाइम पर जो आर्टिकल 19 है वो सस्पेंड हो जाता है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया प्रोवाइड फॉर सस्पेंशन ऑफ सम फंडामेंटल राइट इन पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन. Question 10. When there is a joint sitting of both the houses of parliament, who presides it? Option A, President of India. Option B, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Option C, Prime Minister of India. And D, Vice President of India. The correct answer is option B. Speaker of Lok Sabha joint sitting hold करते हैं दोनों houses of parliament की. Question 11. A money bill is initiated only in Lok Sabha with prior permission of the President, who decides a money bill to be a money bill. Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, Finance Minister. Option C, Speaker of Lok Sabha. And option D, Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha. The correct answer is option C, Speaker of Lok Sabha. ये प्रोविज़न आर्टिकल 110 में दे रखा है, जिसमें बोल रखा है कि स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा ही डिसाइड कर सकते हैं एक मनी बिल को टू बी अ मनी बिल. क्वेश्चन 12. द इलेक्शन कमीशन इन इंडिया डज नॉट कंडक्ट इलेक्शन ऑफ ऑप्शन ए पार्लियामेंट, ऑप्शन बी प्रेसिडेंट एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, ऑप्शन सी स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर असेंबली एंड ऑप्शन डी पंचायत एंड म्यूनिसिपैलिटी. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया जो है लोकल बॉडीज़ के इलेक्शन को कंडक्ट नहीं करवाती है, तो इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया पंचायत एंड म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज़ को के इलेक्शन को कंडक्ट नहीं करवाती है. क्वेश्चन 13. अ मेंबर ऑफ पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन ऑफ योर स्टेट ऑन प्रूवन चार्जेस ऑफ करप्शन एंड मॉरल टर्पिट्यूड कैन बी रिमूव्ड बाय ऑप्शन ए गवर्नर ऑफ कंसर्न्ड स्टेट, ऑप्शन बी चेयरमैन ऑफ पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, option C by an impeachment by the parliament, and option D CM of the state. The correct answer is C. मेंबर ऑफ पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन को करप्शन एंड मॉरल टर्पिट्यूड के ग्राउंड पर ओनली बाय एन इम्पीचमेंट प्रोसेस के थ्रू ही रिमूव किया जा सकता है. क्वेश्चन 14. राइट ऑफ ओनरशिप. ए perishes with the owner when the owner dies. B does not perish when the owner dies. C is conditional on the owner having a son. D is conditional on the owner having a widow. The correct answer is B. Right of ownership does not perish even when the owner dies. Question 15. Identify the wrong answer. A. An idol is a legal person. B. A trust fund is a legal person. C. A mosque, a legal person. And D. A corporate aggregate is a legal person. Correct answer is C. A mosque is a legal person. Question 16. A legal person is one. A. Who knows law. B. Capable of being right and duties bearing unit. C. Who is involved in some domestic affair. And D. Who is having a good relation with local leaders. The correct answer is B. A legal person is one who is capable of being right and duties bearing unit. Question 17. Professor Duggett emphasized that A. Law is essentially the product of social fact. B. Law is command of ruler. C. Law is based on the rights of individual. And D. Law is based on religious dictates. The correct answer is A. प्रोफेसर डगेट ने कहा था लॉ इज एसेंशियली द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सोशल फैक्ट्स. क्वेश्चन 18. These are certain valid modes of acquiring property. Find out which one is not such mode under TP Act. A. Possession. B. Agreement. C. Property by auction sale. And D. Snatching by force. The correct answer is D. Snatching by force is not a valid mode for acquiring property. Question 19. Capital punishment means A. Offences to be tried by capital cities only. B. Where capital or money is involved. C. Offenses to be punished by death. And D. Those to be excused. The correct answer is C. ऑफेंसेस टू बी पनिश्ड बाय डेथ का मतलब ही कैपिटल पनिशमेंट होता है. क्वेश्चन 20. कंज्यूगल राइट कैन बी एक्सप्लेन्ड एज ए. लिविंग सेपरेटली बोथ वाइफ एंड हस्बैंड. बी. राइट ऑफ द हस्बैंड और वाइफ टू द सोसाइटी ऑफ अदर स्पाउस. सी. लिविंग टुगेदर इन अ सिटी सेपरेटली. एंड डी. नॉट टू प्रेस वाइफ फॉर डाउरी. द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. Conjugal right may be explained as right of the husband or wife to the society of other spouse. Question 21. Lis pendens shall mean A. Pending a suit relating to the issue. B. Any dispute. C. Suit relating to the issue. And D. Any suit not pending in a court. Correct answer is A. लिस पेंडेंस का मतलब होता है पेंडिंग सूट रिलेटिंग टू द इशू. क्वेश्चन 22. डी नोवा मीन्स ए. ऑलरेडी प्रिवेलिंग. बी. टू बी डन. सी. टू बी इग्नोर. डी. अ न्यू अ फ्रेश. डी नोवा का मतलब होता है अ न्यू अ फ्रेश. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी. क्वेश्चन 23. इंडिया गॉट फ्रीडम बिकॉज ऑफ ए. 1909 एक्ट. B. Government of India Independence Act 1947. C. Government of India Independence Act 1935. And D. Government of India Independence Act 1919. Correct answer is B. India got freedom because of Government of India Independence Act 1947. Question 24. The Cripps mission come to India in A. 1940, B. 1941, C. 1942 and D. 1945. The correct answer is C. 1942 में क्रिप्स मिशन इंडिया में आया था. Question 25. Which one of the following was not presidency town in India? A. Pune, B. Calcutta, C. Bombay, D. Madras. Correct answer is A. Pune is not a presidency town in India. Question 26. Fill in the blanks with correct preposition. We sat dash the ground. A. On, B. Into, C. To and D. At. The correct option is A. We sat on the ground. Question 27. Fill in the correct answer. Someone is knocking dash on the door. A. For, B. To, C. At, D. With. The correct answer is C. At. Someone is knocking at the door. Question 28. Differentiate taught to torts. A. No difference at all. B. Tort refers to a single act of wrongfulness. Tort means entire body governing such wrongs. C. It is just printing mistake. And D. No matter ignorable. The correct answer is B. Tort refers to a single act of wrongfulness. Tort means entire body governing such wrongs. Question 29. What is defamation under torts? A. Under law of tort, it's a false statement damaging person's reputation and published to third party. B. It is an insult. C. An intentional insult of a person. And D. Merely abusing someone. The correct answer is A. Under law of tort, defamation means a false statement damaging a person's reputation and published to the third party. Question 30. What is nervous shock in tort? A. It is a mental shock. B. It is a mental injury. C. It is a disease. D. Refers to recognize psychiatric illness or injury caused by witnessing traumatic event. The correct answer is D. Nervous shock means psychiatric illness or injury caused by witnessing traumatic event. Question 31. What is PIL, public interest litigation, and SAL, social interest litigation? SAL means social action litigation here and not social interest litigation. Options पे चलते हैं. PIL and SAL allow citizen etc. to bring issue to court of law affecting the rights of people. SAL is different from PIL initiated by Professor Upendra Bakshi. B. It is called legislation. D. It is a populism effort. And D. Some people called it publicity litigation. Correct answer is A. Question 32. What is Lok Adalat? A. It is named as People's Court. B. Lok Adalat is an alternative to court. C. People's representative sits in it who solves dispute with the consent of the parties concerned. It is a legal system. And D. Advocates are not allowed in it. The correct answer is B. Lok Adalat is an alternative to court. Question 33. What is a contract? Choose what is correct answer. A. An agreement between one or more parties is contract. B. An agreement may be enforced or not is a contract. C. An agreement enforceable by law is a contract. And D. An agreement which provides more profit is a contract. Correct answer is C. Contract means an agreement enforceable by law. Question 34. Select which one is not essential of valid consent. A. It must be communicated well. B. The person who gives consent must be aware of the proposal. C. Consent may be by act, omission or by conduct. D. Consent must be conditional. The correct answer is D. Consent must be conditional is not an essential of valid consent. Question 35. What principle of law was laid down in Mohiri BB versus Dharmodas Ghosh case 1903? A. A minor contract is no contract. B. Agreement of all kinds are contract. C. Proposal not essential to a contract. And D. Consent may not be consented to a proposal. Correct answer is A. मोहिरी बीबी धर्मोदास घोष केस में बोला गया था कि अ माइनर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज अ नो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. Question 36. Dower, that is meher, in Muslim law is A. Gift given by bride to the groom. B. A religious tax. C. A mandatory payment by husband to the wife. And D. An optional charity. Correct answer is C. Dower in Muslim law is a mandatory payment by the husband to the wife. Question 37. A Muslim woman can remarry. A. Only with the permission of court. B. After obtaining talaq in writing. C. After completing iddat period. And D. Only if the husband dies. Correct answer is C. A Muslim woman can remarry after completing her iddat period. Question 38. In Muslim law, a will is known as A. Hiba, B. Meher, C. Nikah, and D. Wasiyat. Correct answer is D. मुस्लिम लॉ में विल को वसीयत कहते हैं. Question 39. A Muslim marriage is considered A. A sacrament, B. A civil contract, C. A social ceremony, and D. A customary rite. Correct answer is B. In Muslim law, marriage is a civil contract. Question 40. Which consumer right is not guaranteed under Consumer Protection Act of India? A. Right to exploitation. B. Right to choose. C. Right to be heard. And D. Right to be seek redressed. Correct answer is A. Right to exploitation कंज्यूमर राइट नहीं है कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट के अंदर. Question 41. Which among the following is known as old sources of Hindu law? Option A. Shruti. Option B. Smriti. Option C. Essay and commentary. Option D, Old English dramas of UK. Correct answer is D. Old English dramas of UK are not known as old sources of Hindu law. Question 42. Restitution of conjugal right are provided in which section of Hindu law? A. Section 7, B. Section 11, C. Section 9 and D. Section 13. Correct answer is C. सेक्शन 9 के अंदर रेस्टिट्यूशन ऑफ कंज्यूगल राइट्स के बारे में बात की गई है. क्वेश्चन 43. इन विच ईयर द हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट वॉज पास्ड? ऑप्शन ए 1856, ऑप्शन बी 1955, ऑप्शन सी 1865 एंड ऑप्शन डी 1956. करेक्ट आंसर इज डी 1956. इट्स हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट 1956. Question 44. As per section 13(1) of Hindu Marriage Act, there are number of divorce. Find out which of the following is not a valid ground. A. Cruelty, B. Adultery, C. Conversion and D. Wife not being beautiful. Option D is correct answer. Wife not being a beautiful is not a ground of divorce under Hindu Marriage Act. Question 45. Why moot court has been included in your syllabus? Choose the best alternative. A. It is just for amusement only. B. Just to make aware and train student about court procedure. C. It may be a way to motivate students toward a law teaching etc. And D. It's a time pass, nothing else. Correct answer is B. मूट कोर्ट का पर्पस है लॉ स्टूडेंट्स को अवेयर एंड ट्रेन करना लॉ प्रोसीजर के बारे में. क्वेश्चन 46. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट परमिसिबल मोड ऑफ ट्रांसफर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी अंडर टीपी एक्ट? ए. सेल ऑफ इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी, बी. एक्सचेंज, सी. गिफ्ट एंड डी. प्रॉपर्टी थ्रू ऑक्शन सेल. करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. Question 47. Transfer of property is defined in TP Act under Section A, Section 3, B, Section 2, C, Section 5 and D, Section 6. Correct answer is C. Section 5 में ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी को डिफाइन किया है. Question 48. All the transfer of property under TP Act are essentially for consideration except A. Mortgage, B. Gift, C. Lease, D. Exchange. Correct answer is B. Question 49. Select the invalid answer. A transfer of property may be A. A conditional and a condition of impossible nature may also be imposed. B. Conditional or unconditional. C. Conditional may be subsequent or precedent. D. Condition must not violate rule against perpetuity. The correct answer is A. Transfer of property may be a conditional and condition of impossible nature may also be imposed. ये invalid answer है. Question 50. The well-known doctrine of lis pendens relates to which section? A. Section 50, B. Section 51, C. Section 53 and D. Section 52. The correct answer is D. Section 52 के अंदर डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ lis pendens को बता रखा है. Question 51. Point out which is not essential element of sale under Section 54. A. Sale is a transfer of ownership. B. For price. C. Sale is transfer of both movable and immovable. And D. Price paid, to be paid, partly assured. Correct answer is C. Question 52. Select the incorrect alternative. A. Exchange is transfer. B. There is a mutual transfer of ownership. C. Exchange relate to movable only. D. Both the thing should be money or none of the thing should be money. The correct answer is C. exchange relate to movable only. That's the correct alternative. Question 53. International law is not a true law because A. It is a popular subject on all places. B. It has not been enacted by any legislative body. C. All the nations are independent and sovereign. So how any law can govern them? And D. Who will punish the defaulters? Correct answer is B. International law is not a true law because it has not been enacted by any legislative body. Question 54. Which one of the following is not recognized category of envoys and ambassadors? A. Chairperson of any Vidhan Sabha. B. Ambassadors charge d'affaires. C. High commissioners. And D. Commercial councils and special envoys. Correct answer is A. चेयरपर्सन ऑफ एनी विधान सभा एनवॉयज एंड एम्बेसडर्स की कैटेगरी में नहीं आते हैं. क्वेश्चन 55. व्हाट इज एक्सट्रेडिशन? ऑप्शन ए, अ गर्ल्स सेलेक्टेड एज ब्यूटी क्वींस आर अलाउड टू गो फ्रॉम वन कंट्री टू अनदर. बी, हेड ऑफ द स्टेट्स आर फ्रिक्वेंटली visit foreign countries. C, two nations under a treaty agrees to hand over offenders to countries where crime is committed. And D, players are permitted to visit another country. Correct answer is C. Extradition means when two countries under a treaty agrees to hand over offenders to the countries where the crime is committed. Question 56. Who coined the term international law? Option A, Oppenheim. B, Stark. C, Leo Johnson. And D, Jeremy Bentham. Correct answer is D. Question 57. Where is the headquarter of International Court of Justice? Option A, New York. Option B, Hague. Option C, Washington. And option D, Tokyo. The correct answer is Hague. International Court of Justice is situated in Hague. Question 58. Difference between public international law and private international law. Choose the correct answer. A, public international law is body of rule which governs matter of nation, where private international law deals with issue of persons of various countries internally. B, no difference at all. C, public international law is old name while private international law is modern name. D, European countries prefer public interest law over private interest law. Correct answer is A. Question 59. What is the International Labour Organization and what is its function? Select correct alternative. A, International Labour Organization is just an international organization. Option B, International Labour Organization is responsible for distribution of medical purpose. Option C, International Labour Organization is a specialized and three-party agency of the UNO. It consists representative of workers, employers, government for the cause of labour at world level. And D, International Labour Organization has no importance. The correct answer is C. Question 60. Whether terrorists and dacoities are entitled to human rights? Option A, no, not at all. B, it depends on the court. C, the UNO may decide it. And D, UDHR says that one who has born as a human being is entitled to human right irrespective of caste, race, etc. Correct answer is D. UDHR says that no one has born that one who has born as a human being is entitled to human right irrespective of caste, race, etc. So the terrorists and dacoities also have human rights. Question 61. Who coined the first word United Nations for UNO? A, Theodore D. Roosevelt. Option B, Eisenhower. Option C, Jefferson. And option D, John F. Kennedy. Correct answer is A. Question 62. Find out which of the following is not industry under Industrial Dispute Act 1947. A. Tirupati Devasthanam. B. A super speciality in Delhi. C. A university or college. And D. A teacher library having 900 books. The correct answer is D. A teacher's library having 900 books is not industry under Industrial Dispute Act. Question 63. Choose the correct match. Option A. Trade Union Act 1926. B. Factories Act 1945. C. Minimum Wages Act 1944. D. Industrial Dispute Act 1946. The correct answer is C. Minimum Wages Act 1944 is the correct match. Question 64. The labor is an entry of which list? A. Union list. B. State list. C. All the list. D. Concurrent list. Correct answer is D. Labor is an entry of concurrent list. Question 65. The word strike has been defined in which section of Industrial Dispute Act? Option A 2A, B 2G, C 2F, D 3A. करेक्ट आंसर इज सेक्शन 2G. 2G के अंदर स्ट्राइक को डिफाइन किया गया है इंडस्ट्रियल डिस्प्यूट एक्ट के. Question 66. Minimum wages means A. Minimum rate of wages decided by the government has to be paid irrespective of economic capacity of the employer. B. An enough amount which is ideal for the family of 2 plus 2. C. It is just formal in papers only. D. The minimum and least amount on employers wants to give workers. Correct answer is A. Minimum wages means minimum rate of wages which is decided by the government, which has to be paid by the employer irrespective of his economic capacity. Question 67. A lockout is a situation when option A. Workers do not willingly work. Option B. A tool opposite of strike in the hands of employer to force worker to accept the work as given. Option C. Employer locks the factory gate and new locks are replaced. Option D. Workers get wages if there is a clear lockout. Correct answer is B. Lockout is a situation when a tool opposite of strike in the hand of employer to force worker to accept the work as given. Question 68. Find which is incorrect alternative. Trade union is defined as a combination of workers temporarily or permanent formed for the purpose of regulating the relations of option A. Workmen and employers. Option B. Workmen and workmen. Option C. Seller and buyer gathering near factory. Option D. Employer and workmen. Correct answer is C. Question 69. Find out which is incorrect. The Factories Act 1948 provide number of act of welfare for workers act welfare for the worker as A. Washing and sitting facilities. B. Welfare officer. C. Facility of the first aid and medical relief. D. Providing bar and dance clubs to the worker. Correct answer is D. Providing bar and dance club to worker. Question 70. In which case Supreme Court has decided the definition of industries which stands law today? A. Bangalore Water Supply and Sewerage Board versus Rajappa 1978. B. J Engineering Works versus Indian Industrial Tribunal 1977. C. J Engineering Mazdoor Sabha versus Hind Cycle Limited 1968. And D. Express Newspaper Private Limited 1961. Correct answer is A. Bangalore Water Supply versus Sewerage Board versus Bangalore Water Supply and Sewerage Board versus राजप्पा केस के अंदर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इंडस्ट्री वर्ड को डिफाइन किया था. Question 71. which is not true following new criminal act made effective at present are A. भारतीय न्याय संहिता, B. The new bar bench code, C. भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता, D. भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम. Correct answer is new bar bench code. Question 72. The new BNS, which has replaced earlier IPC, now has section A. 500, B. 551, C. 531 and D. 358. Correct answer is 358. BNS में 358 sections हैं. Question 73. Which one of the following is not document as defined in भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम BSA? Option A, a writing. Option B, a map. Option C, an inscription on a metal plate. And option D, 300 years old steam locomotive placed in a rail museum at London. Correct answer is D. Question 74. Choose which is not correct. A. IPC 1860 has been replaced by BNS. B. CRPC has been replaced by BNSS. C. Nothing replaced, old are continue. And D. BSA has replaced Indian Evidence Act. Correct answer is C. Nothing replaced, old are continue is incorrect statement here. Question 75. Select which is not correct. There are number of changes in the BNS. Some of them are as under. A. 511 section of IPC. Now BNS has 358 section in all. B. 20 new chapters have been added to BNS. C. 6 petty offences now meet community service provisions. D. Same wine in the same bottle. Correct answer is D. Same wine in the same bottle. Question 76. Choose most appropriate answer. A. The purpose of new criminal code is to liberate from British colonial laws. B. Changes are merely of cosmetic nature and not real. C. These newly introduced codes focused on justice instead of punishment. D. These laws reflect real spirit of Indian justice. Correct answer is B. Question 77. Choose what is incorrect. A. BSA changes superfluous. B. These changes include 24 sections more. C. BSA now contain 170 section as against 167 sections earlier. D. 2 more new sections have been added to BSA. Correct answer is A. Question 78. Select which is not correct. A. In BNS, police accountability has been made more realistic and transparent. B. These changes do not seem workable in police culture in India. C. During search and seizure, videography is under section 105 of BNSS is necessary. D. About 20 more sections have been added to BNSS regarding search and seizure by the police. Correct answer is B. These changes do not seem workable in police culture in India is the incorrect statement here. Question 79. Select the correct one. A. Section 300 of IPC has now been section 101 in new BNS. B. No, this section is numbered as usual. C. Working of this section have been changed. D. It is difficult to memorize. Correct answer is A. Section 300, that is relates to murder of IPC, has now been section 101 in new BNS. Question 80. The new criminal laws of 2023 are specific about women and children. Choose which is incorrect. Section 70 of BNS provide imprisonment for life or capital punishment for rape of a girl below 18 years if it is a case of gang rape. B. Section 69 BNS provides that sex exploitation on false promise and wrong identification now shall be a criminal act. C. seems lip service only for the girls and women. D. Section 51(3) directs that medical officer have to send medical report of the rape victim in 7 days to the investigating officer. Correct answer is C. Seems lip service only for girls and women is the incorrect statement here. Question 81. Find out which is not a source of administrative law. A. Constitution, B. Statute, C. Judicial decision, and D. Fictional novels. Correct answer is D. Fictional novel is not a source of administrative law. Question 82. Which is correct alternative? Which of the following doctrine led the superior answer? A. Nemo judex in causa sua, B. Audio alterum partem, C. Respondent superior, and D. Res ipsa locutor. Correct answer is D. वैसे तो करेक्ट आंसर इसका सी है, रिस्पोंडिएंट सुपीरियर, लेकिन इस आंसर की के अंदर ऑप्शन डी को करेक्ट आंसर दे रखा है, जो कि रिवाइज्ड आंसर की में ऑप्शन सी रिस्पोंडेंट सुपीरियर हो जाएगा. Question 83. A company is a legal person distinct from which member? In which case this principle was laid down? A. Solomon versus Solomon Company Limited, B. Ashbury Rely Carriage Company Limited, C. Macura versus Northern Assurance Company, D. Foss versus Harbottle. Correct answer is A. Solomon versus Solomon Company Limited. Question 84. Which of the following is correct? The minimum number of members required to form a public company is option A 2, option B 5, option C 17, option D 10. Correct answer is 17. Question 85. Who said this? Statute is the will of the legislature. A. Maxwell, B. Bindra, C. Bhattacharya, D. Professor Gilbert. Correct answer is A. Maxwell. Question 86. The mischief rule of interpretation has its origin from which case? A. Barker versus Barker, B. Hiddens case, C. Foster's case, D. Clark versus Brims. Correct answer is B. Hiddens case. Hiddens केस में ही मिस्चीफ रूल ओरिजिनेट हुआ था फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. क्वेश्चन 87. लिटरल रूल ऑफ इंटरप्रिटेशन एम्फसाइज्ड ऑन A. Moral values of society, B. Spirit of law, C. Ordinary meaning of the words, D. Judge's discretion. Correct answer is C. Literal rule of interpretation emphasized on ordinary meaning of the words. Question 88. Which rule is applied when literal rule meaning leads absurd result? A. Mischief rule, B. Literal rule, C. Golden rule, and D. Purposive rule. Correct answer is C. Golden rule को अप्लाई किया जाता है अगर लिटरल रूल की इंटरप्रिटेशन से एब्सर्डिटी क्रिएट हो रही है तो. Question 89. The agestum generis rule means A. Thing of different kinds are treated similarly, B. General words follow, specific words are limited by them, C. Word must be interpreted in isolation, D. The last word is the most important. Correct answer is option B. Agestum generis rule means general word followed, specific word are limited by them. Question 90. Which of the following is considered an external aid of interpretation? A. Marginal notes, B. Preamble, C. Long title, D. Legislative history. Correct answer is legislative history. External aid है interpretation का. Question 91. Environmental Protection Act in India was enacted in which year? ऑप्शन ए 1986, ऑप्शन बी 1972, ऑप्शन सी 1992, ऑप्शन डी 202. Correct answer is A 1986. Question 92. Which article of Constitution of India mainly deals with protection and improvement of environment? Option A 21, option B 32C, option C 48A, and option D 14. Correct answer is option D, Article 14. As per this answer key. Question 93. The principle of polluters must pay for the damages to the environment is known as A. Precautionary principle, B. Sustainable development, C. Intergovernmental equity, D. Polluter must pay principle. Correct answer is D. Polluter must pay principle. Question 94. The National Green Tribunal was established in India in the year A 2005, B 2010, C 2008, and D 2012. Correct answer is B 2010 में नेशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल को इस्टेब्लिश किया था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 95. The Limitation Act belongs to the option A 1960, option B 1962, option C 1963, option D 1964. Correct answer is C 1963. Limitation Act belongs to 1963. Question 96. Select with incorrect. A. The law of limitation is unnecessary burden on the proceedings of the suit in the court of law. B. The Limitation Act is the statute of equity. C. It is applied to the plaintiff and not to the defendants. D. The Limitation Act bars the remedy but does not finish the rights. Correct option is A. Law of limitation is unnecessary burden on the proceedings of the suit in the court of law. Question 97. Limitation period to file a written statement under CPC after 2020 amendment. A. 60 days, B. 90 days, C. 30 days, and D. 120 days. Correct option is B. 90 days. Question 98. Which section of CPC deals with res judicata? Option A Section 9, option B Section 10, option C Section 12, and option D Section 11. Correct answer is D. Section 11 deals with res judicata. Question 99. Which section of CPC deals with stay of suit? Option A 9, option B 10, option C 11, and option D 12. Correct answer is option B Section 10 deals with stay of suit, जिसको res sub judice भी बोलते हैं. Last question, question 100. The principle he who comes with equity must comes with clean hand means A. Only lawyers can approach equity. B. Claimant must be honest and fair. C. Everyone is equal in law. D. Court will always grant a relief. Correct answer is B. Claimant must be honest and fair. Next हम ये बताएंगे कि इसकी एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ यूरेट पीजी 2025 लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम की क्या हो सकती है. सो यूरेट पीजी 2025 के लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम की कट ऑफ जो एक्सपेक्टेड है जनरल कैटेगरी के लिए वो 69 से 79 के बीच हो सकती है एंड EWS वालों के लिए 58 से 68 हो सकती है. एंड OBC की एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ जो है वो 45 से 58 के बीच में हो सकती है. देन इसका रिज़ल्ट कब तक आ सकता है? इसका रिज़ल्ट विद इन 1 वीक में आ सकता है, प्रोबेबली 18 जून से पहले. और अगर किसी भी स्टूडेंट को यूरेट पीजी 2025 के लॉ क्वेश्चन पेपर में कोई भी ऑब्जेक्शन है तो वो उसको विदिन 48 आवर्स में अपना ऑब्जेक्शन फ़ाइल कर सकते हैं। अब रही बात इसके एडमिशन प्रोसेस की, तो रिज़ल्ट आने के बाद इसका सेकंड फ़ेज़ स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, जिसमें सेकंड फ़ेज़ के फॉर्म फिल होने लग जाएंगे, जिसको फिल करने के बाद में उसकी हार्ड कॉपी आपको यूनिवर्सिटी के लॉ डिपार्टमेंट में सबमिट करनी होगी। एंड इसकी बाकी की पूरी डिटेल्स आपको हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिल जाएगी। एंड इसके साथ ही मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगी, अगर मुझसे इस सेशन में कोई भी मिस्टेक हो गई हो बोलने में या पढ़ने में, तो उसके लिए आई एम सॉरी एंड थैंक यू सो मच।